Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well and safe with the grace of God. Cambridge International School Dasua has taken the initiative to reach out every child at this time of crisis COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, no doubt sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. Don't feel sad. Cambridge School is here to help you out at this time of hardship. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Dasua, and today I will teach you next chapter, legislature. And the topic I would be covering in this video will be why do we need parliament? Why do we need two houses of parliament? Bicameral legislature along with the map. Means we will do two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So what is legislature? Let me clear the heading first, because before doing this we have to recapitulate. Fine. So previous we have done executive. Executive is the important organ of the Indian government system. So when executive is important because that organ is only for the implementation of the rules and policies. But who makes the rules and policies for the country? And that is legislature. So we can say that legislature is a law making body. It occupies an important place in the modern state. It is regarded as the most important organ of the government. So it provides the basic of the वर्किंग ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी. तीन ऑर्गन हैं हमारे, एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेचर और जुडिशरी. बट अनलेस द लॉज आर मेड द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इन्फोर्सिंग देम डज नॉट अराइज. तो इसीलिए कानून बनाना सबसे पहले जरूरी है. so दिस इज द मेन ऑर्गन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. सो लेजिस्लेचर मीन्स, actually legislature means parliament. Fine. It is derived from the French expression parliament, which means speaking, and Latin word parlamentum, which means talking. In this come to means the meeting of the discussion. You can say the talking shop, or where we can discuss national and international issues, debate करके, बहस करके, then we come to conclusion. This is legislature or parliament, you can say. So legislature we are having unicameral and bicameral. Unicameral means one chamber house. Bicameral, by means two. Bicycle होता है ना, टू पहिए, तो two chambers of houses. Unicameral if the parliament has only one chamber, जैसे कि ग्रीस में है, फिनलैंड में है, श्रीलंका में है. Two chambers in which we are having two houses, like England, America and India. Bicameral legislature, by means two, cameral means chamber or houses. So bicameral legislature means two houses or two chambers. Lower house is called first house and upper house is called second house. America, Britain and India. Better the same topic from America. If you want to learn and revise properly, you can cover the book from your the page number 105 from your textbook. Fine. This will be elaborate answer for you, because when you will write this question in your notebook, you want little explanation and elaboration. Fine. So in England, bicameral legislature has been developed according to the historical evolution, जैसे वहाँ पर था. Merits of bicameral legislature. First, prevent the despotism of single house. एक हाउस होगा, अपनी मर्जी करेगा. यहाँ bicameral है, one house is act and one house is act to check the other. Check the hasty legislation. ऐसा ना हो कि कोई जल्दी जल्दी में काम हो जाए या रश में काम हो जाए, इसीलिए hasty legislation को stop करता है. Reduce the burden of legislature. Representation of different interests. Possibility of detailed discussion. एक हाउस में फिर दूसरे हाउस में डिटेल डिस्कशन होती है, बिल जाता है, फिर वो बिल चेकिंग होती है, देन अगेन इट बिकम द लॉ. लेस पोलिटिसाइज्ड. यस, एज अ मेंबर ऑफ सेकंड चैम्बर आर नॉमिनेटेड, सो दे प्रेजेंट द इंटेलेक्चुअल. पढ़े लिखे बंदे होते हैं वो, एंड दे वर्क विदाउट बायस एंड पॉलिटिकल अफिनिटीज. असेंशियल फॉर फेडरेशन, परफेक्ट एंड साउंड लॉज. यही फायदे हैं. दिस द सेम क्वेश्चन यू विल राइट इन योर notebook today. So we come to conclusion. What is legislature? The law making body of the government. Success of democracy depends upon the efficiency and effectiveness of the representative legislature. Parliament is the national legislature of India. आप कह लो कि legislature और parliament one other same thing बेटा. So Indian Parliament is a bicameral legislature. As I told you, two हमारे houses हैं, लोक सभा and राज्य सभा of Indian Parliament. Reasons for selecting bicameral. हमने ऐसा क्यों लिया? एक तो लार्ज साइज ऑफ द कंट्री, एक हाउस से कुछ नहीं होना था. डाइवर्सिटी है, सो ऐसा ना हो कि कहीं बायस हो जाए और पार्शियलिटी हो जाए, सो वी आर अडॉप्टिंग 2 हाउसेज. Bicameral legislature ensure more representation. Possibility for reconsideration of every issue in a bicameral legislature. Now you can see on the screen 245 and 545 Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members. So bicameral, you can see provincials, parliaments, notion, the ideas, responsibilities, appointments, constituencies. So elected participation. So these are the in the last slide, you remember? And directly elected by the people, elected for a term of 5 years, non-permanent house and 2 nominated members. Because this slide is more important for you, you have to answer the question in and write this question in your notebooks as well. So bicameral legislature कौन से हैं? Recent I am telling you, आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार, जम्मू कश्मीर, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, ये जो न्यू स्टेट बनी थी, एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. No Jammu and Kashmir, though I have taken the same page from your book 103. Jammu Kashmir is also showing the blue dot, it means bicameral. But according to the new census, Jammu and Kashmir is not bicameral legislation now. Fine. So bicameral legislation only until October 2019. Now we are having 6, not 7. We are having 6 states in which bicameral legislature. This is the time for questions. Easy question. The very first question you will write what is legislature, explain the bicameral legislature. The same answer you will get from page number 101 and 102. Map you can get one from 103 page. And bicameral legislature, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, you have to explain from page number 105 and 106. Both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. My dear students, make one thing clear. Number of important questions for 1 mark answer and important lines to be underlined. Please make sure that while reading you are very careful for learning also. In my next video I will share next topic with you. If you have any question or any doubt in your mind, let me know. I am here to help you out, my dear students. We will meet in next video with the next topic from same chapter, legislature. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Thank you so much.